NQ just non-stop move today.
It's been amazing.
Yeah, non-stop trend.
Do you know how many days I wake up and I'm like, okay, I've identified this thing from the root and I should just hold it for the day?
Countless. I feel like it happens at least 5 to 6 times a week.
Every single day it happens. Every single day. One of these days I'm going to get over it.
You might as well. I mean, just do one contract of anything. Just hold it all day if you can.
Oh, I will hate myself if I do that. Can you imagine that thing working and you just did it on one contract? Oh my God.
It's better than nothing.
No, it's not.
Yeah, but very impressive move for the indices today. I was just expecting a whole lot of chop, but
Yeah,
clearly
but it's
not.
also a holiday season, right?
Yeah,
So you're going to have volume in the morning and then it's going to slow down like this. So you're almost better off trading the first 2 hours and then calling it a day.
just
Like
trade
today
the
is good because it's
opening
one
session pretty
directional.
much.
Today is good because it's one directional, but most of the days it's going to chop.
Yeah, yeah,
And today is going to ruin, today's habits are going to ruin you for tomorrow.
yeah,
You're going to
100%.
expect the same thing tomorrow, and tomorrow it will chop you out.
Yeah, you just have to readjust the strategy every single day.
Yeah. A retest is due. Retest of 22096. If this bar on NQ is a doji, I will be short chasing, obviously. But
Yeah. So you're just looking for a retest of that line that you have, that level you
yeah,
have. Okay.
exactly.
And then for ES, that would be 86.50.
80, that's the zone. So 8650 is a buy,
Yeah.
but it could go, you have to support that buy all the way down to 80.
Yeah.
So if it goes lower, you average it. And if it doesn't give me a doji and doesn't include me on the pullback, I'll just buy at 22096.
Yeah.
But you figure it's got another 30 seconds remaining. So I might get a candle that I like.
And then is the bot still turned on at the moment, or did you turn it back
I
off?
turned, no, 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 I turned it off.
Okay. You calling it a day for the bot, or just
I'm
not looking
calling it
at
a
the
day
chart?
for the bot because it's just extended and I don't want to take additional risk. I
Yeah.
want to maintain the account where it is.
Yeah, good call. So I mean, for 4,735, not bad for today.
No, it's not enough, but yeah,
Yeah, it's better than taking a loss. Just forcing a trade that is not there.
correct.
It's also pretty close to that upper zone that you have the 22 140.
Yeah, for NQ, yes.
Yeah, for NQ.
I think like that is lined up with this level for ES
93.
93. Yeah,
Yeah. Yeah, it looks like they're pretty similar. So that 22 140 to 22 169 zone, that would be like a sell area for you?
major sell. Yeah,
Okay.
that is where it would reverse from. If it's
Yeah.
going to reverse, that is the area it will reverse from.
Yeah. So higher probability to reverse from there.
Correct.
Yeah.
So that is where you open the puts if you're looking into contracts,
Yeah.
options.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still got 3 hours remaining, two and a half, right? So we'll see.
Yeah.
I, I'm also looking for a reaction up there, like volatility to pick up, like put in a solid reversal bar or so. I'm not much of a candlestick trader, but I look for specific patterns at specific levels. If I see those, only then I will trade that. So I'm not trading the candlesticks, I'm trading the combination of the level and the candlestick.
Yeah. So if you zoom out on your NQ chart, does it also have a zone higher, or is that the zone as of right now?
No, there is one more.
Okay.
This line.
Okay. 22,261.
Yeah,
Okay.
it can go either ways. This is the entire range for the day.
Yeah.
If it, that's the work. You got to be ready for both sides. Whichever one happens, you join it.
Yeah. That's the way trading is. Avgo looks like it wants that 252. It's very close.
Guys that are trading ES, you'll get a trade. Somewhere in here is a buy. You can choose which where you want to buy. You may or may not get filled at the bottom, at the lower end of the zone. So you gotta take a dip. This is where I would take a dip at 86.50. Small position, leave some so you can average if it goes lower, and stop is below right here.
So could you
And
also
it
use that pink line as the stop as well if it breaks that pink line?
breaks the pink line. It's
Yeah.
got to get under it. You need
Yeah.
two bars underneath pink in order to,
Yeah. Because it's pretty close to that zone that you have.
yeah, it'll move up by the time it gets there.
Okay.
And touch of the pink is also a buy, theoretically, as you see right here.
Yeah.
Not quite an engulfment, but nope.
Avgo new highs. Looks like it wants that 250.
Order submitted. Order filled. Target filled.
That was easy money. Did a quick pocket change, pocket change. You gotta get some lunch money in. As I say, every little bit helps. Say, I'm working myself into a short. It broke this bar, went close to the top of this bar, so I shorted right around there. It breaks down. It should continue the break. This should start following the break. And even though this is a buy, if you're short up here, you can catch a quick rundown if it runs a little bit. You still buy somewhere around here. So it's kind of complicated.
Yeah, two-way trading pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, he is getting close to that.
Yeah, it is.
86.
It's coming up. It's still got a few more minutes remaining. Um, so this is the first level buy. If anybody wants to buy, this is the first level. Remember, it could still go down here. It can go down to here. This is where your real support is.
Yeah.
Okay. But this buy does not hurt if you're willing to withstand this much adversity, if it gives you that. The market may or may not give you all of that. So I think that's what you have to decide.
Could you also just wait for the NQ level to be tapped as well, retested? The 96?
Yeah.
And then that seems like it lines up with the bottom end of the your zone as well on
No,
ES.
no, no, no. It's not aligned like that.
Okay.
It's just the chart side by side. That's why it's like that. Yeah, that was it, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it does that. That is why if you're strong bias, you buy that and you just withstand it. Add more later if you get an opportunity, but at least you got some position in.
Order submit. Order filled.
You went long there, Rico?
I went long just playing with this.
Yeah.
Short targets, 2 3 point targets.
Yeah.
If I don't get it, I'm not going to take a stop here. I'm going to get out before that. Come on, come Just a couple more ticks. Oh, come on.
You're just looking for 2 to 3 points?
Target filled.
Yeah, just 2 points.
Yeah.
Lunch money is what I call it. You
Where are
do
you
that
going
five.
out for lunch, Rico?
You do that a few times a day. You might have enough for dinner too. Did Avneet move over to NQ yet? He, I think he's silent, but he should have bought the 8650 area.
Bitcoin looking pretty good as well right here. Could see a move higher.
Guys, if this turns green, it's gonna go green like up to here. Easy. 2136. There's about 15 points to be had. You need this bar to close into the green right here. That's it. So it gets anywhere near this line, I would buy and then hold. All on the projected strength of ES because ES is looking to break and get to new highs.
Yeah, I'm still holding my long on ES as well. I never got stopped out on that break even trade.
Nice.
Up about 7 points here.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order filled.
Really? Seriously? It just didn't fill me? I'm trying to get dessert too.
It wicked you up there at
It,
22,
did.
119.
It did. Come on, give me dessert.
You don't want to take the exit
Uh,
Order
hate it.
filled.
here?
Hate it.
Well, watch it go right here.
No. What am I going to do for dessert?
It's okay. I'm sure you'll find another trade. And check out Boeing, Rico. Nice comeback there.
Boeing?
Yeah, BA.
Yeah, but we talked about that, right?
Yeah. We gave the trade idea last week.
Yeah.
It's playing out very nicely.
How's Papa doing?
Oh,
Pizza.
Pizza PZZA.
Yeah.
I haven't watched that one. I wasn't a fan of the overall action. It's down. It's at 43 now. It was too slow for my liking, so I didn't follow up on that.
Yeah, that's right. It's February.
Yeah,
You're going to get a jump from here, um, going into Super Bowl.
yeah. See, I might put on some lottos for April 50s. Looks like it might want to retest the lows around 39 though. Let's see. Yeah, another name that you gave was IONQ. Check out the move there.
Oh, man. Yeah. That's,
Yeah, that's a beautiful breakout there.
yeah.
Up 17% today.
Nice. Oh, it would have given me, but I had to wait too long.
Yeah, it panned out nicely. You still got your 3 points, 3.5 points?
I did. I did.
Yeah. Well, the target was initially 5 points, or
I was just randomizing that one.
okay, you're just messing around with
Yes.
it.
It's boring. What do you do? My bottom left window is my messing around window. Do something. Keep occupied.
Your top left window, it looks like NQ is working on recovering that level as well. The 118.25.
Yeah, yeah. It's a buy for sure.
Yeah.
It's trying to go to that red zone above it.
Yeah, it looks like it's slowly working its way up there.
Yeah. This was the best you got on ES.
And then your ES target is 93.75?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll just hold on to my long until then.
So you know what? This is great. I've actually talked to someone. Someone asked me if there was a way that they could get $300 a day, or between $200 to $300 a day passively,
Yeah,
and told them, yeah, there is. They just have to get into the bot,
yeah,
and we set it up where you'd be done in like first 20 minutes, and then don't look at the market, just go away.
yeah. Then, I mean, the bot it's been performing really nicely.
Yeah,
It's possible.
it's great if you don't want to watch it all day long
Yeah,
and have your target set and you go to your regular day job. That would be great.
yeah, yeah. And I'll just drop in the email if anyone's interested in that. We can follow up. Just connect to it with us via email. We can set up a meeting and then discuss more in detail.
You got to be careful. Yeah, you want to be careful on IO and Q. I mean, if you get your profit, take it. It's a low float stock. It's, that's why it's volatile, and that's why you get this type of movement.
Let's see if ES comes down to that 8650. Looks like it may want to retest that zone you have. And Q as well, slowly coming in. I caught about 8 points off of that move, Rico, on based off your top left window.
Nice.
Yeah, I went long around that level.
Yeah. So you also get right here a buy opportunity on ES.
Yeah,
But be mindful. I just say it might look steep, but this is what it requires. You're also looking at market that is super extended,
yeah,
and if you give it this much room, then you're just going to get chopped out. So if you want to play, this is a good level to get in because oftentimes it doesn't go below that.
yeah.
Right? So there is no way to gauge whether it's going to go below or not. This purple line held for NQ.
And then for
So
your ES chart, the traders can also use the micros as well if they're not
yeah,
comfortable holding through that much of a drawdown.
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that was a perfect buy on NQ right there. 22,106. Here comes ES.
Yep.
Those who are interested.
Just remember, it's first level buy again. If you already covered the previous one, it's theoretically valid until 81, but you may or may not get that one. Okay. Um, this thing I think I'm going to drop. Is there anything more you'd like?